have so many. Let's see. I'll just tell you for my son, for example. He used to wear glasses, and I know this would embarrass him, but I'm sure he's not going to watch this. He used to wear glasses, and his glasses were breaking, and it was during, the whole Corona thing. So I put him under hypnosis, and I asked his higher self, what is the very root cause of his eye issues? Because he had one eye that he had astigmatism in, and it was just seemed to be getting worse and worse and worse. So his higher self said that in the past, he had seen a lot of things that were very unacceptable to him, and now they were coming back in his current life. And the more he saw certain things unfolding, it frightened him to the point where he blurred his own eyesight, basically. Upon understanding that, the higher self said that he could release it. Since he got the message, he understood it. But the purpose was that he needed to have more faith in the here and now, to realize he was always safe. And so they wanted him to really start to tune into himself and feel secure. And then they released it in a week.
And then his eyesight went back to 2020?
It went back to 2020, but it's a marker. So sometimes that one eye will get a little weaker, and sometimes it'll get stronger according to how much trust he really has in all of this. But he hasn't had to wear glasses since then, because his eyes got significantly better. The points, I hope I'm saying this right, the points correction was a definite noticeable correction to the point where he didn't need the glasses anymore.
Wow.
But that's just one example. This kind of thing happens all the time whenever anybody really tunes in or does a QHHT session, or maybe understands that that's how the body can release whatever physical issue.
Well, since you worked with Dolores, your clientele... Oh, you mean, well, studying